famous scientist, namely J.C. Bose, Jagadish Chandra Bose. Sir J.C. Bose from West Bengal has invented something. Do you have any idea about him? Have you heard about him? No problem. So this J.C. Bose has invented that plants have life. This is the first person in the world he has invented from West Bengal. Otherwise, you have seen Tare Zameen Par, a movie. Tare Zameen Par. Do you know the father of Ishan? Okay. Often beats his boy necessarily or unnecessarily. That is another thing, but he beats. But what happens when this father of Ishan wanted to meet the teacher Amir Khan? He visited the school and he tells that you may be thinking that you means Amir Khan. You Amir Khan may be thinking that we are not coming under the category of khayal nahi rakhne wale. This is a particular word he uses. So you are thinking that we are not taking care of our gods, children, like that he asks. Then Amir Khan says that this khayal karna is an excellent thing. इसमें इलाज की शक्ति है. इसमें इलाज की शक्ति है. So like that, he will tell about taking care. Amir Khan describes about taking care. When you have some problem, dear child, what do you have? The problem. Tell me. आपका फिक्र क्या है? So like that, when the father asks, then he is the father who is taking care. Like that, Amir Khan says. He has given an example. He questions father of Ishan, do you know Solomon Islands? No. आपने कभी इंटरनेट पे सर्च किया है? No. My wife does like that he answers. Just try to know what is this Solomon Islands. In Solomon Islands, people will not cut the trees for the cultivation purpose. To cultivate, what shall we do? We cut the trees and make the playground. Then only we can do agriculture. This is what the time. But in Solomon Islands, the people will not cut the trees. Then what they do? They all together go to the trees all together and start scolding the tree. They use unparliamentary words also. After few trees, the trees will be happy because of the scolding done by the people. They don't cut it off. So now all the trees died and they started cultivation by taking off. So this episode also shows that trees have life and to the extent possible they have emotions. Trees have emotions. We think that nothing is there in this tree, but many things are there. Okay. So trees have the life and even they too have emotions. I'll show something. Look at not this tree, but look at this tree and the other one. Don't you find any, emotions? Somebody like us are cutting the trees. Then trees are enjoying? No. They are crying. Means they too have emotions. So, can you guess the what kind of emotions would have been there for the first tree in the world. We have come to know that trees have life and emotions. And now you may answer for the question that can you guess what would be the emotions of the first tree in the world? First tree. Some tree must be the first tree.
Yes.
Okay, can you guess what could be the emotions of that first tree? Okay, fine. Today we'll see the emotions of a first tree. The emotions of a first tree. Nature looked across the seas. She had newly made. No, said nature. Life must have a place of cooling shade. All my creatures shall have rest from the sun's high tide underneath a leafy bough. Shall my creatures hide? So from the deep block earth rose a mighty tree. The hill wind sang a song of welcome. Greetings, roared the sea. The new tree too thought, all creatures should have rest from the sun's high tide. Underneath my leafy bough, when the sun had reached its zenith, in the tree's cool shade, all the creatures lay them down, and they were not fried. Ever since the tree has flourished, mighty and yet kind. Nowhere else can beast or man sweeter solace find. Fine? Okay? So you can raise hands, those who wish to read. Very good. So I think Shubhasmita, you please.
Nature looked across the sea. We had newly met. Now, said nature, life must have a place of cooling shade.
Very good. Sit. And you, Sasmita,
All my creatures have met from the sun's high tide.
please sit. Continue.
Underneath the leafy bough, stand my creatures hide. So out from the deep black earth rose a mighty tree. The sea
Sit. Please sit. Continue. Tarini Priyadarshini.
the hill wind sang a song of welcome. Greetings, roared the sea.
Fine. Please sit. And this girl, Shivani Das.
Ever since the tree has flourished, mighty and yet kind. Now where
Sit. Sasmita.
Now where else can beast or man better Sula's fine.
Sweeter solace fine. Very fine. We have completed the poem. I think you are enjoying the reading. So now you will be formed into two groups to understand better the poem. And now what you need to do is you just find the words which are difficult for you. Which are difficult for you. Just you go on telling how can I make this is group A and this one is group B. Fine. So you please carefully see. Now the question is for group B. Tell me any difficult word from the poem recited. Tell.
go?
Bow. Fine. Group A.
Cooling shade.
Huh?
Cooling and shade. Shade.
Shade. Cooling shade.
Cooling shade.
Fine. Cooling shade. Then group B,
Jenny.
Janet. Get. Janet. Fine. Then group A, Solace. Very good. Solace. Then group B, huh? Underneath. Get. It is difficult. You try to find the most difficult. Underneath.
Florist.
Huh?
Florist.
Flourished. Good. Flourished. Then tell me.
Beast.
Hmm?
Beast.
Very good. Beast. Beast. Then group A. Fine. Today we'll be knowing the poem, the meaning of the poem. Before that, we will try to know what was the difficulty in understanding of these words particularly. If these words are understood, then the poem can be understood by itself. So let us see the words. So what is this? Flourished. Flourished. In the lake, the lotuses are flourished. In the lake, the lotuses flourish. And the hibiscus tree has flourished hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus mandala. Hibiscus tree has flourished, not bud, flourished flowers. What is the meaning of flourished? Yes, the meaning of the flourished is blossom. Fine. Then coming to this bough, banyan tree. Banyan tree has boughs. People tree, even people tree has ashwatha vriksha. People tree, even this also has boughs. And we tie the rope of swing to the boughs. So what is this boughs? What is the meaning? Don't say like this, I'll ask somebody. What is the meaning of bough? Fine. Okay, Shubhasmita, tell. Roots. Fine. Very good. Devaranjan, tell me.
Branches.
Very good. So it is the branches. So not only I have given another example that we tie rope. Tie the rope of the swing. Okay, please correct yourself, Shubhasmita. So we tie the rope to the branches of the tree. So branch, which kind of branch? Large. Large. Fine. So the meaning of bough is large branches. Fine. So make a sentence using the word bough. Make a sentence using the word bough. You can raise your hand, I'll ask somebody. Use the bough word and make a sentence. Okay, Abhishek, tell.
There are lots of balls in a banyan tree.
There are lots of
balls in a banyan
balls. Okay, so there are 2 or 3 balls on the banyan tree. Good. And next, cooling shade. Cooling shade. We are under the cooling shade of the roof. The people take rest under the cooling shade of trees. The people take rest under the cooling shade of the trees. So can you guess the meaning of cooling shade?
Chaya.
Chaya. Okay, in your language also you can say. So there is chaya. So it is a shade which provides
Coolness.
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 Fine. Very good. So this is cooling shade. Then comes Janit, and otherwise at the correct point of 12 o'clock noon, sun will be at the zenith. Sun will be at the zenith. Don't answer like this. I'll ask somebody. Okay, those who wish to answer, raise hands. Okay, Lipi Pushpa, say top. Good. Then anybody else?
High.
High. Very good. Very good. So the zenith is highest point. Highest point of something. Not just high, you correct it. Highest point. See the examples again. Reliance Jio 4G reached the zenith in the year 2019, means highest point. And at the same time, Airtel fallen down, means lost at zenith. Clear? And at the noon, 12 o'clock, the sun will be at a zenith, exactly at high point, so that only we feel too hot. Okay, so this is the meaning of zenith. Can you say the meaning of zenith now? Raise hands, don't give answer in the group. Very good. Renika Beriha, tell me. Very good. This is highest point of something. So this is the highest point of me. This will be the zenith. Okay. So like that. Good. Then which one? Solace. Solace. When his wife left him, he found a solace in bottle. In bottle. Understood?
Yes.
When some ex, his name is Naresh. When the wife of Naresh left him, so Naresh found solace in the bottle, means drinking. Okay, solace. Okay. So what would be the meaning of solace? Peacefulness. Very good. Anybody else?
Happiness.
Happiness. Very good. Pleasure. Happiness, pleasure, peacefulness. Very good. Then Renuka. Comfort. Good. Comfort. Comfort. Because if we are with our family, we feel comfort. That is lost. So then he found the comfort in this. But actually it is the way of death. It is the way of death. Very good. Can you say the meaning of what is this? Solace? No? Don't say like that. Tarini, tell. Comfort. The meaning of solace is comfort. Like that you must tell in a sentence. Don't just tell it. Okay, fine. Now make a sentence using the solace. Using the solace. Khandayatre, please. You have to solace with, you have to find solace. Here it is a noun. Solace is a noun. So you have to find solace in your family. Very good, excellent. Can anybody give the synonyms of solace? Can anybody give the synonyms of solace? Relief, very good. Relief, very good. So we have some two words there. Comfort, relief, and another word is console. 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 If somebody dies, what will do? No, nothing. No, nothing. Like if we tell her that is what? Consoling. Then they will get relief. Okay, so that is what the synonyms of solace are comfort, console, relief. Very good. Renuka. Can anybody tell now? The three together? Raise hands. Okay, you Sujata Nayak.
Comfort, release,
Relief.
concern.
Very good, very good. So let's also count underneath. Okay. Police personnel found a bomb underneath the car, underneath the table. Surya Prasad found a bomb, B-O-M-B, bomb, underneath the table. So underneath is, can anybody tell? Raise hands. Okay. You, Sasmita. Under of something. Under the ground, under or something like. Okay, sit. Can you supply these synonyms of underneath? Shivani.
Below.
Very good. Below. Then another one also there. Just now you told as the meaning. Under. Get. Under and below are the synonyms of this one. So we have came to know the meanings of the difficult words, and let us proceed to understand the poem.